What do you got there?
Yeah. I seen that makes music, and he said, from Coca-Cola.
From Coca-Cola?
Uh,
Wow. Do you think it might say Coca-Cola?
Coca-Cola. Yeah. And it makes music. Watch, Mom.
Okay, let me see. What kind of instrument do you think he's playing? Saxophone, maybe?
Saxophone, maybe. they have cookie in it?
We'll see, just a minute. What do you got, Jada? Jada, look at that puppy. Do you love it?
Mommy, I got that too.
Yep, it's for, maybe you could share it. You guys can both share it.
I share it with Aiden.
That's nice. What about with Momo and Jada?
Oh yeah, sure. Let's see what this has. Yeah. Don't even spell it, Mom. Might spell. It's too hard to open. Yeah.
We'll put it to the side. I'll open it. What else is in there?
Candy. Yeah, candy. Diane, get right. Purse. Oh my! Yeah, Chris. What is that? I don't know. Mom, what are these? Mom, what are these?
I think little stamps to give to your friends on Valentine's Day.
They are stamps. So what else is in here? Yes, it's this. Yeah, Chris.
What's in this? Wait.
Snake.
Chris, open this one. Open it. Take it out of the bag. What is it?
It's my drum. It's broken. Look, yeah, it is.
No, it's not. You put it in between your legs. Jada, you like that drum? Show her how you do it. Put it in between your... Let Jada have a turn. Okay, let Momo have a turn.
She never did.
Okay, Jada wants a turn. Hold it for Jada.
Make the music.
Dance, Jada. Dance.
Mom. Mom.
Go, Jada. Go. Go. Go, Jada. Go.
It's a polar bear playing. Wow. Wow. Make some music. Okay.
Yay!
Mom, watch out. There's a button right there. You want to push it. Want to hold it for a second?
No, I'm videotaping, but I'll do it later. What do you have to say to your papa and grandma?
Thank you for this. I like it.
What about... What do you say? Thank you for the drum. Hello.
Thank you for the drum.
What about the candy? Hello.
Thank you for the candy. Thanks.
And the stuffed animal.
Stuffed animal.
They got you lots of stuff. Say thank you for everything.
Thank you for everything. My
Say, Chris, say I love you and miss you.
Love you, miss you.